Anniversaries mark the passage of time in a relationship. They are a testament to a shared journey, a celebration of love, commitment, and the enduring power of human connection. From the romantic canals of Venice to the majestic peaks of Santorini, each city offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty that will create memories to last a lifetime. Join us as we traverse the globe, exploring enchanting cities that set the stage for unforgettable anniversary celebrations. Paris, the very name evokes images of love and romance. The city of lights, with its charming streets, cozy cafes, and iconic landmarks, has long been celebrated as a haven for lovers. Imagine strolling hand in hand along the Seine, the gentle waters reflecting the city's golden glow. As the sun sets, you ascend the Eiffel Tower, the city sprawling beneath you like a twinkling tapestry. A candle-lit dinner, accompanied by the finest French wine, provides the perfect ending to a perfect day in the city of love. Venice, a city built on water, exudes an aura of mystery and enchantment. Its labyrinthine canals, spanned by graceful bridges, whisper tales of centuries past. The gentle rocking of a gondola, propelled by a gondolier's serenade, transports you to a bygone era. Indulge in the delectable flavors of Venetian cuisine, savoring fresh seafood, creamy risotto, and delicate pastries. Raise a glass of Prosecco, the region's sparkling wine, and toast to your love in this captivating city. Perched atop volcanic cliffs, the Greek island of Santorini is a vision of whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches set against the backdrop of the azure Aegean Sea. Spend your days exploring the charming villages, their narrow streets winding past boutique shops and traditional tavernas. As the sun sets, find a spot overlooking the caldera and witness a sunset so breathtaking it will forever be etched in your memory. Step into a world of ancient traditions and serene beauty in Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. This city of temples, gardens, and tea houses invites contemplation and reflection. Wander through the tranquil grounds of Fushimi Inari Shrine, its thousands of vermilion torii gates winding their way up the mountainside. Experience the ritual of a traditional tea ceremony, the precise movements and delicate flavors, a testament to the Japanese appreciation for simplicity and beauty. In Kyoto, every moment is an opportunity to connect with your surroundings and with each other. In the city that never sleeps, romance is endless. New York City pulsates with exhilarating energy. Catch a Broadway show, a testament to the city's artistic spirit. Stroll through Central Park, a green oasis amidst the urban jungle. Ascend to the top of the Empire State Building, the skyline spread out like stars. Share a romantic dinner, the city's energy as your backdrop. Journey back in time to the heart of the Roman Empire. Rome, a city steeped in history, art, and culture. Explore the Colosseum, imagining gladiatorial combats. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain. Indulge in Italian cuisine, pasta and gelato. Rome's romantic ambience makes it perfect for celebrations. Escape to the tropical paradise of Bali, where lush rice paddies meet pristine beaches and ancient temples stand as testaments to the island's spiritual heritage. Relax on the white sand beaches, the warm waters of the Indian Ocean lapping at your feet. Bali's natural beauty, spiritual ambience, and warm hospitality create an idyllic setting for a romantic getaway. Prague, with its cobblestone streets, medieval architecture, and enchanting atmosphere, feels like a city straight out of a fairy tale. Wander hand in hand across the Charles Bridge, its statues of saints watching over you. Explore Prague Castle, a sprawling complex of palaces, churches, and gardens, offering breathtaking views of the city below. As dusk settles, the city's lights illuminate the Vltava River, creating a magical ambience. Prague's charm and beauty will capture your heart. Buenos Aires, the birthplace of tango, pulsates with a passion that's impossible to resist. This vibrant city, with its European-influenced architecture and South American zest for life, invites you to embrace the sensual rhythm of the tango. Take a tango lesson, learning the intricate steps and passionate embrace of this seductive dance. As evening falls, head to a traditional tango show, where talented dancers will captivate you with their skill and passion. Buenos Aires, with its vibrant culture and seductive rhythm, is the perfect destination to celebrate your love. Sydney, Australia's harbour city, is a vibrant metropolis blessed with stunning natural beauty. The iconic Sydney Opera House, with its sail-like design, dominates the harbour, a testament to the city's artistic spirit. Climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the harbour and the Pacific Ocean beyond. Spend a day at Bondi Beach soaking up the sun, sand and surf. Sydney's natural beauty, vibrant culture and laid-back charm make it the perfect destination for a memorable anniversary celebration. Cape Town, nestled at the southern tip of Africa, is a city of breathtaking natural beauty. Table Mountain, its flat-topped peak, often shrouded in clouds, dominates the cityscape, offering unparalleled views. Take a cable car to the top, the city sprawling beneath you. Cape Town's natural beauty and vibrant culture make it the perfect destination. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, ignites the senses. From Gaudi's whimsical architecture to Las Ramblas' vibrant street life, explore the Sagrada Familia and wander through Park Güell, indulge in tapas and paella, and savor the nightlife. Barcelona's charm makes it unforgettable. Vienna, the city of music, exudes an elegance and sophistication that's hard to resist. This city of palaces, gardens and concert halls invites you to step back in time to the days of the Habsburg Empire. Visit Schönbrunn Palace, the summer residence of the Habsburg emperors, and stroll through its magnificent gardens. Attend a concert at the Vienna State Opera, one of the world's most famous opera houses, and experience the magic of classical music. Vienna's elegance, history and musical heritage make it the perfect destination for a romantic and sophisticated anniversary celebration. Step into a world of exotic scents, vibrant colors and bustling souks in Marrakesh, the Red City of Morocco. Located at the foot of the Atlas Mountains, Marrakesh offers a sensory experience unlike any other. Get lost in the Medina's alleys and haggle for souvenirs in the bustling souks. Visit Jardin Majorelle, a tranquil oasis with vibrant blue buildings and exotic plants. Marrakesh's charm, history and culture make it perfect for an unforgettable celebration. From the romantic streets of Paris to the exotic souks of Marrakesh, these cities offer unforgettable anniversary celebrations. Each city provides the perfect backdrop for lasting memories. Whether you're seeking romance, adventure or culture, pack your bags, grab your loved one and embark on an anniversary adventure. Happy travels!